Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prime Video. You will click on settings. In this page here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Prime Video and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for